Flabberry is one of the leading e-commerce players in India that sells a wide range of products that is geared towards fulfilling special events and occasions. Today, I'd like to talk to you about how we were able to scale their organic growth by over 191% just by using AI-generated content. Some of the key challenges that we noticed prior to our engagement with Flabberry was the declining trend in organic traffic on a month-on-month basis, coupled with a falling ranking from the relevant keywords that Flabberry was targeting. And finally, we noticed a vast number of pages that were dynamically generated, adding little to no value to the overall health of the site. From an objective standpoint, it was clear for us that we need to start focusing on recovering traffic as the first step by outlining what the best structure would be from a site architecture point of view. Secondly, we wanted to make sure that we were in compliance with the latest Google algorithms in the form of content strategy. And finally, we laid the outline as to how we want to leverage AI content to make sure that we were able to reach out to the relevant keyword clusters that Flabberry was originally intending to aim for. From a strategic implementation perspective, we started with revamping the entire site architecture to make sure all the page types, for example, the product pages, category pages, as well as informational pages would be set right from the get-go. Secondly, we focused on deleting a vast number of dynamically generated pages that added little to no value to the site as a whole. Thirdly, we introduced enhanced internal linking in the form of contextual linking to make sure all the pages were relevant to each other for the bots as well as for the users. Finally, we introduced a site-wide content quality framework for our AI generation to make sure that the content we generated would be relevant for users looking for relevant content. And from a results standpoint, how did we do? Well, we were able to consistently scale Flabberry.com on a month-on-month basis with the introduction of our AI-generated content. Secondly, we were able to scale Flabberry.com's overall keyword graph in the 4 to 10 possessions to over 4,500 keywords. And finally, we were able to generate over 66% in terms of organic clicks, as well as providing an uplift of over 191% in terms of overall organic impressions. We thank you for your time in reviewing our case study.